Okay, so last time we've played with unescaped and the boolean attribute in Pug. Let's play some more. Let's close some of those files, not all of them. And in here, into attributes, I'll create style.pug. And I'll also drag style over here. Come on. Close this and close this one. And into style, if you have already played with React, you might know about this one. Otherwise, let's do an A tag with a style. And in here, let's pass an object and do color with the value of red. You can see the style receives this one over here. Let's also do background and color, background color blue. However, this one should not work, and if we open the console, we can see that there is an error over there. That's because we need to camel case the background color like that. We save it, we can see color red and background color. Actually, we don't need to camel case. Maybe we need to put it in a string. Let's put it in a string. It's not like React. It's similar to React. Okay, so now I got color red and background color blue. So that's the style one. Now let's create another one. The class attribute. Class.pug. And open the class. Close that style. So let's create a couple of arrays over here. And I'll do class var class one list equals, and this might sound familiar to you from Bootstrap, btn and btn primary. I'll use some examples that you might be already used to. Here's the var class 2 list equals a btn small, and now let's do a div class equal class list, class one list. So if you save it, we can see that this array has been joined into values using space. So whatever values you'd be putting in here, maybe like that, it will be joined. Let's do another one, another div, a couple of pipes for white space control, and this would be the second one. Okay, so you can see that it also converts it into just a single value over there. However, there is another thing. We can repeat this attribute class and pass it class one list. So now, if we look into it, it concatenated the two arrays into one and then outputted all the values with spaces between them. Now let's do some more classes. New file, literal class pug. Move the pug on top, close that file. No, we want this to be, copy the name of it and delete that file. Okay, and we want to create a new file inside the attributes, not in the TMP. So literal pug, it's cool, and then open literal class HTML, split it and horizontally, and we are almost there. Okay, so literal class means we can do an A tag with btn as a class, and then click me. Go away. So this is like that. You can also do another dot. Let's do some pipes. and btn.btn small. Okay, so you can see that the second one is like that. And you can also do a div, type div, this is a class. However, if you want to omit the div class, which is in Pug the default one, you can just do the class like in CSS and it will convert it by default into this div. So the default tag in the literal class in Pug is div. So you don't need to type it. You can type the div or you can optionally omit it. So happy hacking!